If you have active kids or an active husband, then you're familiar with sweat and perspiration stains. Well, today I'm going to tell you how to remove that stain from your clothing items without using any harsh chemicals. Join me. To remove the stain, we're going to treat darks and whites a little differently here. The treatment is not the same for both. For your whites or light colored clothing, you'll need hydrogen peroxide, water, and a spray bottle. First, mix 1 cup hydrogen peroxide with 1 cup water in your spray bottle. Spray the mixture on your stain until the stain is completely saturated. Let it sit for 25 to 30 minutes. Then, before laundering, add 1 cup hydrogen peroxide to the washer, and then wash your clothing item on just a regular normal cycle. Now, dark colored fabrics could get bleached by the hydrogen peroxide, so we're going to treat the stain on dark colors a little bit different. The items you will need are white vinegar and a little bit of water. Mix 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Saturate the stain and let the garment sit for 25 to 30 minutes before washing. As always, if you take your clothes out of the washer and the stain is still there, do not toss the item into the dryer or the heat will set your stain. Simply repeat the steps that we just talked about until the stain is completely gone. Please share this video with your friends. Give it a thumbs up, show me that you liked it. And subscribe to my channel for daily DIY Your Life videos. All right, I will see you tomorrow.